Hey y'all, what's up? Chad Wright coming at you here once again on the channel, Team Righteous, and it's a wonderful Monday morning here at 57 Motorsports, and we got another project today for a customer that we're working on. So just went and picked this right up last night for the customer, and we're getting ready to make some changes. So we've got an 07 GSXR 750. Customers wanting to get his old fairings replaced. They're a little bit beat up. So anyways, he's wanting to get the fairings replaced. We're going to do that. Let's go check these right here out and see what he's got going on. So he ordered some aftermarket fairings from a company. Kind of digging this blue here from what I can see. Let me see if I can get this right here open. Ah, yeah, this hair is gonna look good. That's gonna look sweet. So anyways, we're gonna get that done. He's supposed to be bringing me a tire later on. We throw him a tire on, and maybe check on some other things for the bike. See if it needs anything else while we're in there. And he's wanting to possibly get a dyno tune later on. So we may talk to him about that right there, and that right there may be in another video. So anyways, we're gonna try to get all these fairings swapped out, and we'll be back at you in a minute. And we're back. So we got all the fairings off here on the GSXR 750. About all thing I like left on it is getting the front fender off. So we also had to take the stay bracket off. So generally, when you change fairings, you're not going to have to take the stay bracket off, but this right here was broke, so we're going to replace it. Get this front fender off, and we got the fairings off, got the tail off. So everything else is ready to go, and we're going to get these fairings here and put them on. And then, like I said, here's the old fairings. So as you can see, it's kind of roughed up. Somebody had done replaced the side fairings before. So the front nose was solid black, so it's possibly a OEM one. I'm not really checking it out that close, but the side fairings were definitely aftermarket ones. And then the tail, the center part was OEM, and the side pieces were aftermarket as well. But yeah, here's where this here on the stay bracket, the left ear was broke off, so we're going to have a new one put on. Just got to change these rubber mounts out here, but make sure you don't just take this thing right off and chunk it away. Anyways, we're going to get these fairings on, see how this thing looks. I'm excited to see how it looks and see how it turns out once we get these ready put on. Alright y'all, so we got this GSXR 750 finished up there. About to take it back over here, deliver it to the customer, see what he thinks about it. So anyways, we got the new fairings put on for him, and turned out looking pretty good. So anyways, appreciate all of y'all. And like I said, y'all let me know down in the comments below, what do y'all think about how it turned out?
She did turn out looking good.
Yeah, man, what you think?
Fuck yeah.
So I left the black on there, but I figured it looked better than that really bright blue on your tank.
Yeah.
And then...
Yeah, I wasn't going to use that blue tank cover on there. I wasn't sure if it was going to throw that other blue off.
And then your undertail and your front under piece there. I left them on there too because that's where all your lights are already mounted up at.
Oh, okay.
So that way you ain't got to remount them again.
Oh, nice.
And then
so the lights still work?
It's all thing you got. Yeah, all thing you got to mount still would be the ones on the side fairings and stuff.
Oh, okay.
So.
Nice.
But yeah, I guess it turned out good.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So I had to pull all your other ones apart and everything. So what you think about it?
I like it.
Look good?
I like it a lot.
Daniel was right.
Yeah, Daniel was right. He's like, man, you gonna flip when you see it. It's
Yeah.
sick as fuck.
I told him, he's like, man, I'm fixing the picture. I said, don't do that. That takes away the fun. So.
Man, don't send me a picture. I'd rather see it than pull up. Yeah, that's nice right there.
All right, man. Well, I'm glad you liked it. We'll jump off the old camera here. Y'all have a good one.
Yeah, okay.